So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Android Studio to VS Code. Firstly, open Android Studio, build your standard Hello World application and launch your preferred Android emulator, keeping it running in the background. Now open VS Code, go to File, then open Folder and select the root directory of the Android project you just created. You must open the exact project root folder. If you open a random subfolder or parent directory, the build tools will throw an installation error. Now open the extension marketplace by clicking Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for an installed Android extension. If you are writing native Java or Kotlin code, this adds language servers and debugging endpoints to your workspace. Now, look at the top of the Run and Debug sidebar panel, ensure your project is selected in the configuration drop-down, and click the green Play or Run button. The extension will sync with your active emulator and deploy the compiled APK directly to the screen. Now you can choose Android Studio completely to modify your application's logic or change your layouts. Simply navigate through your directory tree to your main source files. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.